Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey Auto. Today we will discuss the topic that might just save you from a costly trip to the mechanic. Have you ever noticed smoke coming from your car's exhaust and wondered, what does this mean? Is my car okay? Well, you're not alone. Exhaust smoke can be a telltale sign of what's going on under the hood. And depending on the color, whether it's white, blue, or black, it could mean anything from a minor issue to a major problem. In this video, we're breaking down what each color of exhaust smoke means, what could be causing it, and most importantly, what you can do about it. So if you've ever seen smoke and panicked, stick around. This one's for you. 1. White exhaust smoke. Is it serious? Let's start with white exhaust smoke. Now, white smoke can be a bit tricky because sometimes it's totally normal and other times it's a red flag. If you see light white smoke, especially on a cold morning, don't panic. That's just water vapor condensing in the exhaust system. It's like your car's version of breathing in the cold air. Totally harmless. But if you're seeing thick white or gray smoke that doesn't go away, that's a different story. This could mean your head gasket is blown or leaking, allowing coolant to seep into the combustion chamber. And trust me, that's not something you want to ignore. In the worst case scenario, heavy white smoke could indicate a cracked engine block or broken cylinder head. These are serious issues that need immediate attention. Have you ever noticed white smoke coming from your exhaust? What did you do about it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. 2. Blue exhaust smoke, burning oil alert. Next up, we have blue exhaust smoke. If you see blue or bluish-gray smoke, it's time to pay attention. This usually means your engine is burning oil, and that's never a good sign. So what's causing it? It could be a leaking valve seal or a problem with your piston rings. Essentially, oil is getting into the combustion chamber and burning along with the fuel. If the blue smoke happens when you accelerate, it's likely a piston ring issue. But if it happens during deceleration, it's probably a problem with the cylinder head valve guide. Either way, blue smoke is a clear indicator that something's wrong, and it's best to address it sooner rather than later. Have you ever dealt with blue smoke from your exhaust? How did you handle it? Share your story in the comments. 3. Black exhaust. Smoke, too much fuel. Now let's talk about black exhaust smoke. If your car is puffing out black smoke, it's usually a sign that it's burning too much fuel. This could be caused by a clogged air filter, a problem with your fuel injectors, or even a blocked intake manifold. Not only is black smoke unsightly, but it can also hurt your car's performance and fuel efficiency. The good news? Black smoke is often easier to fix than white or blue smoke. A simple tune-up or replacing a clogged air filter might do the trick. Have you ever noticed black smoke coming from your exhaust? What was the cause and how did you fix it? Let me know in the comments. 4. How to fix and prevent exhaust smoke issues. All right, let's get into the solutions. If you're dealing with heavy white smoke, it's likely a head gasket issue. In that case, you'll want to check out professional-grade solutions like head seal blown, head gasket repair. For blue or black smoke, you might not need to rush to the mechanic just yet. Products like Bar's Leaks Oil, Seal Engine Oil, burning and leak repair can work wonders. These mechanics in a bottle are designed to renew worn-out seals and stop leaks, saving you time and money. And don't forget, regular maintenance is key. Keep an eye on your oil levels, change your air filter, and address any issues as soon as they arise. Prevention is always better than cure. Have you ever used a mechanic in a bottle product? Did it work for you? Let me know in the comments. 5. Why engine seals fail and how to revive them. One of the most common causes of oil leaks in blue smoke is the hardening and shrinking of engine seals over time. This is especially true for older cars. Products like Bar's Leaks Oil Seal contain additives that revitalize these seals, making them effective again. They also clean gunk from your piston rings, freeing them up to work properly. So if you're dealing with oil leaks, don't despair. There are solutions out there that can save you a trip to the mechanic and keep your car running smoothly. Do you have an older car? Have you ever had issues with engine seals? Share your tips and experiences in the comments. And there you have it. What the color of your exhaust smoke means and how to fix it. Whether it's white, blue, or black, now you know what to look for and what steps to take. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in top shape. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest car issue you've ever dealt with? I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, drive safe, drive smart, and take care of your ride. See you in the next video.